For this second page on our homework, we are being asked, so we have a smoothie shop and it charges per ounce of smoothie. And we're being asked to use this table to sort statements below as true or false. So here we have a table that is showing us price per ounce of smoothie. For $9, we get 6 ounces, $12, we get 8 ounces, $15, 10 ounces, $18, 12 ounces. So our very first step is that we want to find our unit rate. How much per ounce are they charging us for these smoothies? And we could choose any one of these pieces of data, any one of these ratios, and that should tell us our unit rate. I'm just going to pick the $15 for 10 ounces. Why not? I could pick any of them and we'd get the same answer. So if we are doing price per ounce, I can write that as $15 for 10 ounces. And when I do that calculation, 15 divided by 10, I'll come up with $1.50 per ounce, per 1 ounce. Now, once we know that information, we can go through A, B, C, D, E, and F and decide if these are true or false, if it fits in with this ratio of $1.50 per ounce. Let's start with A. Each ounce of smoothie costs $1.50. Well, that's our unit rate. And that's a true statement, 1 ounce for $1.50. So we can mark that as true. You would drag and drop it on this app I'm using. I can't, so I'm just going to put A under true. Do B. So B says Miguel can buy 4 ounces of smoothie for more than $5. More than $5 to buy this. So we can set up another rate using the unit rate. Well, if it's $1.50 per 1 ounce, and we want to know how much it is for 4 ounces, this is multiplication. So we took 1 and we multiplied it by 4 to get to 4. So we'll do the same thing up top. 150 times 4. Go ahead and calculate that. Okay, maybe you had a chance. That's $6. Is $6 more than $5? It is. So B is also true. All right, let's go for C. Hunter, hello Hunter, can buy 9 ounces of smoothie for $13. So we'll do that same process. It's $1.50 for 1 ounce, and we're looking at how much it would cost for 9 ounces. So right here, multiply by 9 to put it there. So again here, we'll say 150 times 9 is 13. So Hunter can buy 9 ounces of smoothie for $13. He cannot. He only has $13. He doesn't have enough money. So C is going to go into false. I'll do one more, and then I'd like you all to try the rest yourselves. D. D says Jim can buy 14 ounces of smoothie for $20. So if he has $20, can Jim buy a 14-ounce smoothie? Let's find out. Same process. $1.50 for 1 ounce. We're going to set that equal 14 ounces. Multiply by 14. So we're going to also multiply 150 by 14. And 150 times 14 is 21. So for 14 ounces, he would need $21. He only has 20, so he can't do it. So we'll put D under false. So you can use that exact same process for E and